Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome to my AdAlladswork Income Hub. I'm your new crypto messenger and I have some fantastic topics to share. Do you know that cryptocurrency is the hottest topic on the internet right now? And those who have discovered its earning possibilities at this early stage have got an assured financial freedom for life. Because there's no doubt about it. The new blockchain technology is about to sweep away what we now all agree is the enemy of progress. And by this I mean the current centralized financial system. The banks, Wall Street, the city, big corporations, and large financial institutions that control our money. Well, my good news here is that I recently discovered two great platforms that have enabled me to begin generating income instantly. I discovered AdAlladswork and Coinbase. It took me less than an hour to create both accounts. First, I signed up to AdAlladswork and proceeded to create another account at Coinbase, where I earned the ability to buy my Bitcoins instantly using my debit card, because you need to have Bitcoin to be able to invest in AdAlladswork. I'm now able to generate income daily at AdAlladswork platform using Bitcoin. It's that simple. AdAlladswork is completely new and totally disruptive, but massively exciting. I don't intend to dwell too long on this because I got it all covered in my Income Hub. Hence, I'm hereby proudly inviting you specifically to join up and let's go make things right for our financial futures. If you join me now, you will have permanent access to my Income Hub. Thank you for watching. I'm sure you'll enjoy these educational videos when you join us. Don't delay and lose out on this daily income. Click the button now to create your account and click the image below to download the free report. May the crypto force be with you. Take care. Bye.